Alrighty guys, Wesley Stratton, American Benefit Services. We are talking grassroots marketing. You know I love grassroots marketing. I love other ways of marketing like direct mail and digital, but my favorite way to do it is grassroots marketing. So do all of them, but make this one of your core things and you will win. I'm telling you, own grassroots marketing. Put the energy and the effort in and you will win. So let's talk about the 4 reasons why agents aren't successful with grassroots marketing. Number 1 is they're not canvassing their area. They might go to 3 places and they weren't received very well, or they didn't know what to do and they called it quits. But do this thing like you want to win. Canvass your area, put the effort in, and you're going to win. Go to every low-income senior housing, independent living, retirement places where people go to retire. Go to churches, community centers. We'll give you the places to go, but go to them all and ask to get on their calendar. Number 2 is we see where agents are failing is that they are not going into these places, they're just making phone calls. I think it's okay to make phone calls, but what you want to do is you want to lean heavily on going into these places and talking to the right people. And that leads me to number 3. The people you need to be talking to is the activities director. So when you go into these places, they may have, like 10 people that work there. But you want to talk to the decision maker about having you come in, and that is the activities director. Because guess what? You're actually making their life a billion times easier by making sure that they don't have to fill their calendar with all these events. You're making their life better by doing a Medicare educational event on the changes to Medicare. They're going to be your best friend. They love you because you're making their life easier. And number 4, the other thing that we see is that why agents aren't successful is they don't know how to work them properly. And what you need to do specifically after you do your event, after you do your talk, you need to have permission to contact forms. You get those from us, and we can white label them for you. You're going to have a generic permission to contact form that after you do your event, you're going to want to hand these out to everyone that came to your event, and that is your lead. So do some of these things. We have even more things we want to show you on how to do these effectively. But if you go out there and you play to win, you will win. So hustle, put some heart into it, and you're gonna make a great income. We want to fill in some other pieces, but it's not hard. Thanks, guys.